Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Xiaomi 12S Pro versus Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about display type. Xiaomi 12S Pro has an AMOLED display and 12S Ultra has also an AMOLED display. Resolution. Xiaomi 12S Pro has 1440p resolution and 12S Ultra has also 1440p resolution. Aspect ratio. 12S Pro has 20:9 aspect ratio and 12S Ultra has also 20:9 aspect ratio. A screen to body ratio. 12S Pro has 89.6% screen to body ratio and 12S Ultra has also 89.3% screen to body ratio. A screen size. 12S Pro has 6.73 inches screen size and 12S Ultra has also 6.73 inches screen size. Pixel density. 12S Pro has 521 ppi pixel density and 12S Ultra has also 521 ppi pixel density. Refresh rate. 12S Pro has 120Hz refresh rate and 12S Ultra has also an 120Hz refresh rate. Protection. 12S Pro has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and 12S Ultra has also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. Weight. 12S Pro has 204 gram weight and 12S Ultra has also 225 gram weight. IP rating. 12S Pro has IP68 rating and 12S Ultra has also IP68 rating. Chipset. 12S Pro has Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation First processor and 12S Ultra has also Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation First processor. GPU. 12S Pro has Adreno 730 and 12S Ultra has also Adreno 730. Processor. 12S Pro has octa-core 3.13 GHz and 12S Ultra has also octa-core 3.19 GHz. Operating system. 12S Pro has Android 12 MIUI 13 and 12S Ultra has also Android 12 MIUI 13. RAM. 12S Pro has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and 12S Ultra has also 8GB or 12GB of RAM variant. Storage. 12S Pro has 128 to 56GB internal storage and 12S Ultra has also 128 to 56GB internal storage. Card slot. 12S Pro doesn't support any expandable card slot and 12S Ultra also doesn't support any expandable card slot. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Xiaomi 12S Pro. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide also 50 megapixel aperture 2.2 or telephoto also 50 megapixel aperture 1.9 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Xiaomi 12S Ultra. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 48 megapixel aperture 2.2 or telephoto also 48 megapixel aperture 4.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Xiaomi 12S Pro front camera. It's have a 32 megapixel front camera. And Xiaomi 12S Ultra, it's also have a 32 megapixel front camera aperture 2.5. Rear camera video recording. Both the phone can record 8K video at 30 fps. Front camera video recording. Both the phone can record 1080p video at 30 fps. 12S Pro and 12S Ultra. Battery. Xiaomi 12S Pro has 4600 mAh battery and 12S Ultra has 4860 mAh battery. Fast charging. 12S Pro has 120 watt fast charger and 12S Ultra has only 67 watt fast charger. Let's talk about connectivity. Let's start with Xiaomi 12S Pro. It supports under display fingerprint. It also supports 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1. Let's talk Xiaomi 12S Ultra connectivity. It also supports under display fingerprint, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1. So let's talk both the phone price. Let's talk Xiaomi 12S Pro. It's have a $55,000 of $696 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage, or 12S Ultra have $80,000 to $1,013 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's talk both the phone result. Design wise, both the phone have same design, display are also the same, camera is also the same, hardware are also the same. Both the phone connectivity are also same. There is a better charger on 12S Pro and price, there is a better price on 12S Pro. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.